Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law. Please subscribe to our channel. Today we're going to talk about what happens if you're married and you own a home together. I'm sorry, strike that. You're not married, but you own a home together. I guess the idea of being married and having a home together is a fairly simple thing, because when the relationship falls apart and there's a home, then you're dealing with the home in a divorce. This question that this particular viewer asks us: what happens if we have a relationship, we're not married, and we have a home together? And then, of course, obviously the relationship falls apart. What do? Well, to be frank, if you're not married and you have a home together, you're like partners in the home. So what do people do if they're partners, business partners, and they have a piece of property, and then the partnership falls apart? What do? Well, each one of them ostensibly owns their piece. In order for the court to deal with what happens to their piece, or what percentage of, who gets what, the court has to make an adjudication about that. So if it's 50-50, then the property might be sold and the profit split. Two people who are not married, who own a piece of indivisible asset like a piece of real estate, if one of them wants out, they can file a petition for partitioning of the real estate, and the court can make a finding that it should be partitioned, and then order one party to either buy the other out, or it can be sold and the profit split after cost of sale and commissions, etc. So when two people are splitting apart their relationship and they own a house, this is something that has to be done. A lot more complicated, though, if two people are not married and they're splitting up and they have children. What do they do if they have children? Well, they might therefore end up with a custody case, not a divorce case, because remember, they're not married, but they can still have a custody case for the court to determine, as far as the best interest of the children go, should the children stay with the mother or should they stay with the father? So in that sense, it becomes the same analysis as it would be if they were married. The court still has to go through the best interest factors and determine what the appropriate custody is. If you have any questions about that, reach out, and of course, we'll be glad to help you out.